hope in the front line. Martin Dowse reports.
Before this programme started 10 minutes ago, if you dialed 999 for fire, then something like this would have turned up. A 1997 Dennis Sabre, 8-litre, traction control, ABS, top speed 80 miles an hour. If you dial now and for the next 48 hours, you'll get something like this. A 1953 Bedford S-Type, 300 cubic inch petrol engine, top speed 50 miles an hour at a push. This one's privately owned. It's been lovingly restored to its original specifications by John Powell from Walkford near Christchurch, who used to drive them for the auxiliary fire service. Apart from the old bell being swapped for modern blues and twos and a couple of other modifications, it's basically the same firefighting vehicle now on duty with the armed forces. So how do the two vehicles compare?
This really is a sort of basic tool of our trade. 90% of the fires we deal with are dealt with what we call a high pressure hose reel.
In there you've got 16 lengths of 2 3/4 inch canvas hose. Here you've got all the fittings. These are the branches and nozzles for the 2 3/4 inch hose.
Technology has moved on tremendously. The unfortunate thing with the Green Goddess is it will not have the high pressure hose reel. It will just have a low pressure facility.
Up top, the highest of the Goddess's two ladders is 35 feet. That's about 3 stories. The Sabre's highest ladder is 44 feet, but it of course usually comes out with its big brother, which can reach up to 110 feet. That's 12 stories. The Sabre also comes with chemical suits and breathing apparatus, and hydraulic cutting gear for road accidents, which the Goddess doesn't.
For basic firefighting duties, it's good. It's the rescue side of it is the problem.
So how do the striking firefighters think the Goddesses will perform in some of the situations they have to face, like a house fire with an elderly couple trapped?
They need breathing apparatus to actually rescue the old couple. And again, on the Green Goddesses, they won't have them. There is a special rescue BA breathing apparatus unit, but we don't know where that will be.
Or a fire at an isolated thatched cottage.
Again, the response time will be very, very slow. And the situation is that by then they may be looking at a total loss before they even arrive.
Or a large blaze at a factory unit.
Any factory or any large fire, they will just have to let it burn and protect other property.
Fire and rescue has clearly become a more complex business since the age the Green Goddess came from. But then that is one of the firefighters' arguments for more pay. Martin Dowse for Meridian Tonight.
Well, the